Ooh. Check out the harbour here today. Check out the harbour. Good morning. Here we are back in the harbour again. I'm here with Mike, just over here. We got heaps of rain today. Heaps and heaps of rain this morning. We're going for fish just over here in the harbour. The sea's choppy as. So we come to the harbour. It is beautiful here. Driving over from Whakatane just now, we've had heaps of rain. And we just got here and the rain stopped for us to put the boat out. And I think some sun's coming up over there, but over there in Whakatane it's pretty wet. Welcome back to another video, a fishing video out with Mike. And just over here is where I do a lot of my fishing off the beach and where I do all my cooking, just over there. Oh yeah, little mackerel. Yeah, good little baits, eh? Yeah. That's a good bait. Yeah. Got off, did he? Got off again. Heck. What's been on there? Yeah. Rod. Let me see this rod, mate. I got excited. Oh, a little snapper, look. Oh, shit. What? Hey, hey. My GoPro came off, look. Oh, yeah. Yeah, get into the water, Mike. Ah, right. The little... Big, you should have hands. Come back again. That was all keeping me on. There's some nice fillets in it though, but all good bait. Gonna move. Not getting much happening over here, so just gonna move the boat around a bit more. How are you? Nice, Mike. Finally.
Bit bigger.
Yeah. As big as little acorn.
Some of them where they insert the gills and drag them out of the boat. Oh yeah.
No. Same size, eh? Which one's yours? Oh, yeah, similar. Right, see, look, the rain bands out there. Look, rain coming in a bit. Hit Whakatane out there. Look. Whakatane be wet as, Neil. There's the rain. Hard fishing today. Should have kept that snapper, but never mind. First fish back in the water. Oh, a little bait fish here, look. Back on shore. Windy air, we're going to get some more rain today. So, yeah, at least we got out for a fish. But so I filleted these KAHAWAI last night. There's our lovely 2 KAHAWAI there, our lovely fillets of KAHAWAI. So a little KAHAWAI there and our bigger KAHAWAI fillets. So I'm just going to cut those into little bite-sized pieces. We're going to dip them into some tempura batter mix. Delicious tea tonight, some KAHAWAI fillets there. And we got some tortillas. We're going to be having some KAHAWAI taco. Some tortillas, some KAHAWAI fillets. So we're going to cut these into little bite-sized pieces. And it's going to be our kai tonight with some coleslaw. Going to cut them into little strips like this and just put them into our batter. I like using one of these skewer. Nice little strips like that, perfect for our tacos today. Perfect. doesn't it? It's cooked. Some of this, our fish. There you have it. Here we have, my friends, there's our tacos there. Let's have a taste test for you. There is our KAHAWAI taco there, check that out. I actually put a bit of tomato on there as well and some cucumber with a coleslaw. Pretty healthy kai there. Right, so I would have had some lime juice with this, also some coriander. Limes have all finished for the year, so unfortunately a bit of lime juice on there would give it a really nice flavour as well. It's quite nice. You can also make up your own batter for that. You can also grill some fish. I could have pan fried some in some butter. Would have been quite nice for that as well. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Trip in the harbour there with Mike. Did some pretty hard fishing, but I had a great day down there. Looking forward to going out again sometime very soon. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. Fishing in the harbour with Mike, and finish off with some delicious fish tacos. So we'll catch you guys later. We'll take care out there and we'll see you on the next video. Take it easy. Bye.